Hi friends, I welcome you all here at TNV Academy. In this session, we are going to talk about an international standard ISO 13485 2016. Now, let us talk about clause 7.6 control of monitoring and measuring equipment. This subclause 7.6 of ISO 13485 states that the organization is required to determine the monitoring and measurement to be undertaken and the monitoring and measuring equipment needed to provide evidence of conformity of product to determine requirements. Clause says that the organization is required to document procedures to ensure that monitoring and measurement can be carried out in a manner that is consistent with the monitoring and measurement requirements. As per subclause 7.6, as necessary to ensure valid results, measuring equipment must be calibrated or verified, or both, at specified intervals or prior to use against measurement standards traceable to international or national measurement standards. When no such standards exist, the basis used for calibration or verification shall be recorded. Measuring equipment must be adjusted or readjusted as necessary. Such adjustments or readjustments shall be recorded. Measuring equipment must have identification in order to determine its calibration status. Measuring equipment must be safeguarded from adjustments that would invalidate the measurement result, and measuring equipment must be protected from damage and deterioration during handling, maintenance, and storage. Subclause 7.6 states that the organization is required to perform calibration or verification in accordance with documented procedures. In addition, the organization must assess and record the validity of the previous measuring results when the equipment is found not to conform to requirements. As per this clause 7.6, the organization is required to take appropriate action in regards to the equipment and any product affected. Organization is also required to maintain the records of the results of calibration and verification. According to this clause, the organization must document procedures for the validation of the application of computer software used for the monitoring and measurement of the requirements. As per clause, such software applications are required to be validated prior to initial use and, as appropriate, after changes to such software or its application. The specific approach and activities associated with software validation and revalidation must be proportionate to the risk associated with the use of the software, including the effect on the ability of the product to conform to specifications. Subclause 7.6 further states that the records of the results and conclusion of validation and necessary actions from the validation must be maintained by organization to meet the requirements of the standard. Lastly, the clause guides to refer ISO 10012 for more information. Friends, till now it was all about the clause 7, product realization of ISO 13485 2016. For more information about our institute and other training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. I sincerely thank you for all your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.